back to my channel. So today's setup is different. We are in my kitchen because I'm going to be showing you guys how I make this super easy barbecue chicken recipe with some Hasselback potatoes. So I really like this recipe just because I think it's really easy. There's not much to do. It's really one of those quick, easy dinner type of things. It's also a really good recipe to impress other people as well. Just saying. Just because it looks good, it tastes good. So that's just a huge plus. So let's just actually get into the cooking. So to start with, we're just gonna season the chicken with some paprika, some seasoning salt. I really think everyone should have seasoning salt in their kitchen. And just some black pepper. So I'm literally just gonna take this mixture and rub it on the chicken. I find this step super important just because you don't want to throw any sauce on top of your chicken when you haven't necessarily seasoned it. Like, it makes such a huge difference. So I'm just going under the skin, but I'm just making sure it's really seasoned, like right under. The smoked paprika and the barbecue sauce will go together really well. It'll enhance the smoky flavor because that's probably my favorite part about barbecue sauce. The fact that it's just so delicious and smoky. Just gonna wash my hands. Yeah, so I'm gonna go with this black peppercorn grinder and just add some black pepper to the chicken. And that's about it. It should be pretty much seasoned. One thing that I really like about this recipe is that both the things that I'll be making will be ready at the same time. I really like recipes where you can just throw them at the oven at the same time. It's just easier that way. Alright, so now I'm gonna make the sauce, and I will just need some barbecue sauce, honey, and some garlic. If this sauce is getting really thick, I'm just gonna add, you can just add a little bit of water, not too much, because we want it to be a little bit thick. This seems like a really good consistency. It's not too watery, but it's not too thick either. Now we're just gonna take the chicken that we already seasoned and place it in a glass dish. Yeah, now we're just gonna literally lemon the barbecue sauce. Just gonna make sure all the chicken gets. Okay, the chicken looks pretty good now. It's pretty much coated. So yeah, let's actually get into making the potatoes. I already started chopping it up. So basically, these are Hasselback potatoes, which means I'm just gonna slice them. A hack of mine, or a hack that I actually found on Pinterest, that shows you how to make sure you don't slice through the potatoes. Basically, take a wooden spoon and just start slicing. So I'm just going to keep doing that for the rest of the potatoes, but it's just really easy, just thinly slicing the potatoes and making sure that you don't cut through the actual potato. Okay, so I've basically finished cutting up the potatoes. Here they are. So I also did more prep work while I was away, and I basically made this mixture, which is a combination of some butter, a little bit of olive oil, and some garlic, just to make this really nice buttery mix that we're going to spread all over the potatoes. And then we're just going to go over with some salt, just sprinkling a little bit of salt on top, a generous amount really, and some pepper. Now we're just going to put in the chicken and the potatoes. And yeah, and now we just give it like maybe 25 minutes, and then I'll come check up on everything. And yeah, okay, so it's been about 25 minutes, 30 minutes. Woo! Hot. So this is how the potatoes are looking right now. I'm gonna flip the chicken so that the other side gets coated. We're just gonna take the remaining barbecue sauce and kind of just spread it on top. And then with the remaining olive oil and garlic, I'm just gonna spread just a little bit in the potatoes. And this is also the best time for you to actually taste and find out if everything is well seasoned. So I usually like to pinch a few things, just like a bite It's almost ready. Woo. Potatoes. Yeah, we're just gonna give it maybe about 10 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes, and it should be done. And everything smells, oh my gosh. Our chicken is definitely ready. Potatoes are also ready. You can have about anything with the potatoes, sour cream, cheese, bacon, anything that you can slap on top, but I'm pretty tired, so I don't want to do anything fancy to it, but you easily could. So I am starving, so I cannot wait to dig in. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you guys tried the recipe. I post most of my cooking stuff and recipes on my Instagram, so don't forget to follow me on Instagram. And also, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, all that good stuff, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!